Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete messages from Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now, type a message. And now if you want to delete this message, then select the message, click the right button of your mouse. Here you will find the option of delete message. You have to press on it. Now click on delete. By this your message will be deleted. So this is how you can delete message from Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.